The Volkswagen heat pump. For energy-efficient air conditioning. Due to the system, electric vehicles generate less engine heat, which is available for heating the interior. With the heat pump, Volkswagen offers a solution for saving energy during heating. This can provide an advantage in range. The system utilizes several unused heat sources, such as the outdoor air and waste heat from the vehicle propulsion. As a true multi-talent, the heat pump helps with efficient heating. In addition, it cools in summer and helps to dehumidify the interior in autumn. Volkswagen brings the latest technology on the road for you. Instead of using a synthetic refrigerant, Volkswagen is the first manufacturer to use a purely natural variant in heat pumps in batch production. In addition to its environmental sustainability, the energy efficiency of the heat pump is increased further. Efficiency combined with environmentally friendly technology. Introducing the Volkswagen heat pump.
Volkswagen.